If you frequent our YouTube channel and our website for financial education, you know just how passionate we are in helping regular people succeed and build their investments, savings, and real estate accounts, to name a few, the right way. However, in order to build and reach your personalized financial wealth, we at Exodus Capital have a new and exciting offer to share with you. Because we believe in redefining financial education, going beyond mediocrity, and packaging all of this valuable information in one place, we are offering our newly minted monthly streaming subscription service to assist you in all things personal finance related. We are here to help you in your journey to financial literacy, and we'll show you the whys, the hows, and you'll even take a sneak peek of this truly amazing offer. It's time to get your finances in check, and we are extremely excited to hold your hand along the way.